everybody, Robert Crow here, Realtor with Remax Alliance in Northern Colorado, and today I'm taking you on a walking tour of my new listing at 2796 Glendale Drive in the Emerald Glen subdivision, Loveland, Colorado. Let's start our tour of the day, shall we, with a drone shot. This property is phenomenal because it backs to open space. This particular group of houses in the Emerald Glen subdivision all share community space at the back of the home, which you're going to see here. It's quite a few acres. Now, you're not allowed fencing particularly back there. It's a 0.15 of an acre lot because everybody wants to be able to look out of their back window and enjoy that area. So come on in. This property was the model home back in 1995 when it was built, and then it had some remodeling done in 2017, and then my owners have certainly put their touch on it these last 5 years. But as you walk in, you've got that stunning staircase. I like to call those debutante staircases. You know, you see those movies of kids going to homecoming and prom, and there are always photographs taken on the staircase. That's the perfect one for it. So we went through the formal living area there. Here's the formal dining room, very spacious, as you can see. Enough room for a piano and also credenza over there. And then come on into this kitchen. This home has a very subtle country style finish to it, and I just love it. White cabinets, which as you know are a la mode. Look at that giant big picture window, stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors throughout that first 2 or 3 rooms there on the main level. And then the sellers had pretty much all the carpet on the main and the upper level replaced, with the exception of the staircase. This has so much light. Look at all those windows, vaulted ceilings. You're in for a real treat here. It's 100% move-in ready. There's really nothing that you have to do. Sellers went ahead and had this brand new fireplace put in. That is a concrete mantel that obviously represents or looks like weathered wood. Super high quality. The fireplace is top of the line as well. And then there's what I like to call the Romeo and Juliet balcony. My kids would stand up there and throw probably like, I don't know, Nerf darts at you or something. Lovely colors in this home. Gosh, look at those vaulted ceilings. They went ahead and replaced the ceiling fan for you as well before putting it on the market, so you don't have to. Love that clock that my owner put in there. That's obviously staying. It's kind of built into the wall. And there's that fireplace. You're in for a real treat. When I was stood on the upper level the other day and that fireplace was on, I could feel the heat from that fireplace on the upper level on that Romeo and Juliet balcony. There's our little powder room, door to our garage, laundry on the main as well. Let me tell you a little bit about the garage. We didn't film in there because the sellers had a lot of their personal items in there while we were getting the house ready. But it's essentially a 3-car tandem, yet the third bay has been turned into like a little workshop, almost like a little office. Wouldn't take much to turn it back, or, you know, just keep it as that little workshop back there. There's the debutante staircase as we head up to the second floor. Looking down. Yep, so when I was up there filming, I could feel the heat from that fireplace. It's that high quality. And then look at that open railing going all the way around. So we're going to go into the primary bedroom first. New carpets up here, as I mentioned. The only place we didn't replace the carpet was on the stairs because that has kind of a custom carpet already. Gives it a very high-end feel. And then the basement carpet was in good condition. But all that was replaced. Vaulted ceilings in the primary bedroom. And then this is the primary bath. Luxury primary bath. Slipper tub there. All tile throughout. You've got the twin sinks, granite, the white matching cabinets to the kitchen, a mud set shower with tile from the bottom, pretty much all the way to the ceiling there. It kind of finishes maybe a foot below the ceiling. Obviously the water closet, and then we go into the actual clothes closet. Nice, good size walk-in closet there. Plenty of room for everybody's items. Okay, come on round. We're going to go into the first of our guest rooms. Now this guest room at some point was turned into an office. You can see that they had the window there. That could be very easily turned back. Call me, I've got a drywall professional that can do that for you. But lovely as a flex room. Or, you know, maybe you've got somebody you want to keep half an eye on. I know with my children, sometimes I want to peek into their room and see what they're doing. So first guest room there. And then you've got the guest bathroom, again with the granite, full bathroom this with a tub and shower and twin sinks. You know how hard it is to find a guest bathroom with twin sinks these days? Builders just don't want to seem to do that anymore. Here is our second guest room. Very cute. Great paint colors in this home. Again, it really is move-in ready. Little close up there. I had my hometown written on the little England there on the globe. But this, as I said, is the second guest bedroom. We're going to have a lovely shot here from the open railing going down into the entrance of the home. It really is delightful. And that's tile there on the entrance, folks. Great little cubby, and then come on downstairs to the basement. You know, the basement, it's almost like its own little apartment down here. You've got a hangout area, sofa there, TV on the wall, little office, I guess, homework space. So if you've got somebody that wants their own space, sort of semi-separate from the house, this could be perfect. Here is the fourth bedroom. It's non-conforming only because it doesn't have a closet. But that hangout space that we just came from, that does have a closet there. So, you know, you could switch this around where you want. You could have that as the TV room, or you could have the other area as your bedroom. This is the unfinished area. You can see the hot water heater there and the furnace, carrier furnace, all in excellent condition. Put in by Brandon Strong, possibly the best HVAC expert here in northern Colorado. But as you can see, plenty of room here for storage or extra room to expand into. Gosh, you could even think about putting a little kitchenette in there or another bedroom. Here is the 3/4 bathroom off that little apartment area, I like to call it. Walk-in shower, oil rub bronze. So very modern, very tasteful. All right, now this is a treat, right? I mean, look at that. Acre upon acre of shared open space, all managed by the HOA. You've got a deck to hang out on. Now you can't fence that area, but what you can do is put an underground invisible fence. And then here we are finishing up the video. You've got the foothills off to the west. A real treat of a property. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance here in northern Colorado. Any questions, reach out to me using the information on screen. And as always, have a fabulous day.